Hello, I'm going to show you how to work a brioche right cross cable with a decrease. This cable involves 5 stitches. So to start, while holding the working yarn to the back, I'm going to slip stitch 1 with its yarn over shawl knitwise to the right needle. I'm going to knit stitch 2, and I'm going to pass stitch 1 over. Next, I'm going to bring that working yarn to the front so that it's out of the way while I place stitches 3 and 4 onto my cable needle, and I'm going to hold them to the back of the work. Now I want to take my working yarn to the back, place stitch 2 on the left needle, and pass stitch 5 over. Then place stitch 2 back on the right needle. Then I'm going to place stitch 3 with its yarn over shawl on the left needle, and I'm going to place stitch 4 on the left needle. And I'm going to slip stitch 4 with a yarn over and brioche knit stitch 3. And that gives you a right cross with a decrease.